G'day guys! For those of you who watched my last episode, I packed up my life in Airlie Beach to embark on a round Australia trip in my four-wheel drive. Unfortunately though, it didn't kick off without incident and I'm currently stuck waiting for mechanical parts to arrive in Cairns. Making the best of a bad situation though, I put the tinny in a local estuary to get a feed of muddies and did the most insane catch and cook of Singapore chili mud crab. If you didn't see it, jump back an episode and check it out. Today though, I'm driving one of Australia's most scenic drives, a 120 kilometre coastal road that links Cairns to Port Douglas, where the rainforest meets the reef. It's a truly spectacular drive and recommend it to anyone who gets a chance. I hope you legends enjoy.